Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate Parallax and Kling AI. If you want your videos to feel less flat and more cinematic, this is one of the easiest effects you can create, even if you're not using advanced editing software. Parallax adds depth to your footage by moving the virtual camera at different speeds across foreground and background elements. It's a subtle effect that makes flat scenes feel cinematic and three-dimensional, and Kling AI makes it fast to set up. You'll often see this kind of movement in movie intros, travel edits, product shots, music visuals, and social media videos where a simple image or scene needs more life and motion. Start by opening Kling AI in your browser. If you're new to the interface, give yourself a moment to let the layout load fully, so all the tools are available. Keeping the tab open while you work helps avoid session timeouts and ensures your settings are saved as you go. It also helps to use a stable internet connection, because video generation tools usually need a smooth connection while processing your request. On the left-hand side of the screen, click Generate. This opens the Creation panel, where you'll set everything up for your parallax sequence. Think of this area as your control room. Prompt at the top, key options below, and the final action button at the bottom. This is where you control the look, movement, format, and overall direction of the final video. In the prompt field, type slow cinematic parallax movement, depth-based camera motion, smooth background separation. This phrasing tells Kling AI exactly how you want the camera to behave. Slow cinematic sets the pacing. Depth-based camera motion instructs it to move according to perceived depth layers, and smooth background separation encourages a clear distinction between foreground subjects and the environment. This kind of prompt works well when you want the scene to feel polished instead of random or shaky. Keep punctuation in order, as written, for consistent results. If you're tailoring a specific scene, you can append your subject and setting before or after this core line while preserving the parallax terms. For example, you could add a mountain landscape, a luxury product on a table, a city street at night, or a portrait with a blurred background, depending on the type of video you want to create. Next, choose mode. Pick the option that matches your starting point and intention, whether you're generating from text alone or guiding it with visual input. The mode determines how Kling AI interprets your prompt. For parallax, prioritize a mode that respects camera movement and depth cues. If you're starting with an image, choose a mode that can turn that image into motion. If you're starting from text, focus on giving enough visual detail in the prompt. Choose length. Shorter clips often feel tighter and more stable, while longer durations give the movement room to breathe but can introduce more variation. Aim for a length that matches your use case, like intros, social posts, or background loops. For example, a short 3 to 5 second clip can work well for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or a quick intro, while a longer clip may work better for background visuals or slower cinematic edits. Select video ratio. This sets the framing. Use widescreen for landscape or YouTube, vertical for stories and shorts, or square for feeds. Choosing the ratio now avoids cropping later and keeps the parallax layers aligned to your final platform. This is important because parallax depends on how the foreground and background move inside the frame, so choosing the wrong ratio can cut off important parts of the scene. Choose number of outputs. More outputs generate multiple variations from the same prompt, giving you options on pacing, framing, and micro movements. It's a great way to A/B test without changing your core idea. One version may have smoother camera motion, while another may have better depth separation, so generating more than one output can help you pick the strongest result. Finally, click Generate. Kling AI will process your request and render the parallax video based on your settings and prompt. Give it a moment to complete. While it's generating, avoid refreshing the page or changing settings, because that can interrupt the process or make it harder to track the final result. When it's done, you'll have clean, depth-aware motion ready to enhance your project with a cinematic, professional feel. You can use the final clip as a standalone visual, add it into a larger edit, place text over it, or match it with music and voiceover to make your video feel more polished and engaging.